GPW Degreasing and Cleaning. Hi, and welcome to part 4 of this 1942 Ford GPW restoration. In this video, we will look at the laborious task of degreasing and cleaning the Jeep so that it can be assessed for welding and repairs prior to painting. It turned out to be the hardest and most time-consuming part of the restoration, and also the dirtiest. Starting on the front axle and then moving to the rear axle, we used a rotary wire brush and wire brush attachments on a drill to clean off the years of grime, mud, and anything else the Jeep had picked up over the past 80-odd years. Moving back to the front of the Jeep, we started on the left-hand side of the chassis and the brake and clutch pedal levers. The brake and clutch lever shaft was quite worn and will need rebushing. We then moved on to the underside of the tub and chassis. Again, it was amazing what great condition the tub was in. The climate in New South Wales really helped this Jeep to survive. The outer tub came next. We were keen to try and find some markings under the faded paint, but sadly we found none. At this point, the decision was made to take the tub down to bare metal. On to the inner tub now and more wire brushing. But at least we were getting to the end of the main body of the Jeep. The grille was next. Followed by the driver and passenger wing and bonnet. All the time we were noting which parts of the Jeep would need welding to make them good. The last of the large body parts were the rear of the tub, the windscreen, and the driver and passenger seat. On to the small parts now, starting with the drive shafts. Notice the rear shaft is the larger tube version. The smaller parts were even more time-consuming than the larger ones. The final parts to be prepared were the wheels. Finally, after many hours and many rotary wire brush attachments, the job was complete. I hope you have enjoyed watching the process. While removing so much paint and grime, we discovered many Ford and F script parts, but this subject will be explored in detail in a later video. Look out for the next video where we will be fabricating and welding, and then painting the Jeep. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.